I'm Casey Nesselrote, and this is 60-second oil change on this 1997 Corvette. Open the doors so you don't break anything with the chassis flex from jacking up the car. Pop the hood. Clean the leaves out from under said hood. Jacking puck. If you own a Corvette, you know. Jack up the car. Be safe. Remove the oil pan plug with a 15mm and drain. Instead of lifting the back of the car up, I let the whole car down to drain more of the oil out of the pan. Use whatever oil filter removal tool you like. I prefer a large set of slip joint pliers. So we have Mobil 1 M1-107A oil filter, Mobil 1 5W30 oil. Lube the filter with clean oil. Now slap that SOB back on. Hand tighten. Oil drain plug cleaned and reinstalled. Lower the car. Remove your jacking puck. It sucks if you leave it in there. Now refill the engine with about 7 quarts of fresh, clean Mobil 1 high mileage full synthetic motor oil, 5W30. Now we're going to reset the oil life indicator inside the car. Put the key in. Turn it 1 notch before cranking. Push trip until you get to oil life remaining 0%. I wasn't listening to Mario. Hold reset. Let go of reset, 100%. Bam! That's it. Just put everything away and you just changed the oil on your 1997 Corvette.